Hello everyone, it's Dave from JD Cycle Works. Today we have one of the cooler paint jobs that Harley made, the 2020 Road Glide. They made this version in the blue and white and also the red and white. I think they're both awesome paint jobs. Almost bought one a few times, but did not. Anyway, this one here came in with some engine troubles, and we went through it and put a fresh crank in it from Dark Horse. Made it a 128 from a 114. We did a Cyclorama 484 cam, 55mm S&S unported intake, stock throttle body. You can see it has a Screaming Extreme air filter. Chromeworks 2-2 exhaust system with a louvered baffle. This guy just likes to tour. He doesn't want anything over the top. He wants a lot of torque. And that's what we're working on giving him. This here is tuned with a TTS. This is an RDRS traction control bike. So anyway, here's how it did. Again, real mild build, 128. I think the 128 is just a little more durable than the 132s. Crank was done by Dark Horse. This is not this bike, but this is a stock 114. Okay, stock 114, air cleaner, stock exhaust, had 102 torque, had 74 horsepower. This bike now has 146 foot-pounds of torque, 138 horsepower. Stock heads, we just had them rebuilt, precision valve job. 128 S&S cylinders and pistons, Cyclorama 484. This is a 484, and torque comes on real nice and early with the 2-to exhaust and just ramps up really nice at 3,000 RPMs. So you really have 130 foot-pounds of torque at 2,000 RPMs, which you might say, hey, there's a little dip there, but you know what? 130 foot-pounds of torque at 2,000 RPMs, that ain't nothing to shake a stick at. And it just keeps ramping up from there. So the 484 is a little more horsepower biased. 138.5 horsepower max, 146.4 foot-pounds of torque. Real nice package, reliable. Again, this man, he's gonna enjoy this bike a lot. He likes to put a lot of time on it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Here's another one coming at you. Just a mild 128 build, not over the top. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll try to keep them coming to you.